For number 2, in order to find the slope of the equation, there is just a quick formula for that. We want rise over run, which we could find by counting on a graph, but here, since we don't have a graph, we'll find the rise by subtracting the y's, and then find the run by subtracting the x's. So just be cautious here that everything gets labeled appropriately. So I have an x and a y, another x, another y, first ordered pair, second ordered pair. I like to set up my fraction bar and my subtraction first so that I don't make silly mistakes when I'm plugging things in. My second y is a 14, my first y is a 4, and there's already subtraction from the formula. For the x's, my second x is a 2, my first x is a negative 3, so there's subtraction from the formula and a negative from the ordered pair. So working that out, 14 minus 4 gives me 10. 2 minus a negative 3 is the same as adding a positive 3, which gives me a 5. So my slope reduces to a 2, or a 2 over 1 if you want to keep it as a fraction. And once we have the slope, then we're mostly done here, because we know what our slope is, and we also have 2 ordered pairs to choose from. It doesn't matter which one we pick, as long as we choose an x and y from the same ordered pair. Because I know my final answer is supposed to be y equals mx plus b, and so it's just a matter of plugging in all of the information we have to find the one thing we don't have, which is b. The y-coordinate from the ordered pair I chose was 4. M, the slope we figured out, was 2. X from the ordered pair I chose was negative 3. And of course we don't know b. So now it's just a matter of solving this equation. 2 times negative 3 gives me negative 6. So 4 equals negative 6 plus something. I'll add 6 to both sides to find that missing piece, missing piece is 10. So putting all of that together into a final answer, y equals, we know that our slope is 2, so I'll attach that to the x, and we just figured out that our y-intercept was a positive 10, so I have 2x plus 10. A really quick way to check that answer is to use the other ordered pair and make sure it still fits the equation. So I have my y is 14, slope is 2, this x is also 2, and our work showed that the y-intercept was 10. 2 times 2 is 4, and sure enough 4 plus 10 is 14 as we had hoped. So I know, just that quickly, that my slope and my equation are both correct.